Hey guys, it's Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So I am back again today with another video in the 2020 print-on-demand sites that you should be using. So we are going to talk about Shirtly. I am going to give you guys an overview of the website, tell you about who they integrate with, which is Etsy, Shopify, and soon coming Amazon. I am going to show you the shirt that I got from Shirtly. And if you want to go ahead and check Shirtly out, you can go ahead in my description box and click my affiliate link all the way at the bottom. I do get paid a percentage if you do decide to sign up and use Shirtly. Help a sister out, join, because you need that fast shipping, okay? Shirtly has been impressing me. They have been shipping my orders out within 5 to 7 business days. Come on, okay? They're in New Jersey. I think they are also expanding soon. I don't know if I got an email from them or somebody else, but I'm super excited, and this may become my next best thing. So Printful, I might be saying bye-bye because I am loving the fast shipping. I'm loving the ease of putting in orders manually and getting them done and out. So far I'm enjoying Shirtly. Here to talk to you guys today about Shirtly. I do have a sample shirt from Shirtly. It is another print-on-demand site that you should be using in 2020. So they have their products and prices here. It shows you how it works, key features, and product bundling. Their, I guess, slogan is print, scale, succeed. All right. So they have a drop shipping service. So far, I love it because I don't have to connect it to my site, and I can put in orders and ship them out without excuse me, without having a site. I could just pop the order in, and they have been shipping like within 5 days. Absolutely love it. For the shirts, for the shipping, it was looking like about $4. They do basic orders and then the orders for you to actually get your samples. So far I've been seeing $4 shipping. It's been a little bit more for international orders. I believe they are in New Jersey. So again, they have really good quality shirts available by men's, ladies, unisex, and kids. They also have infants and stuff for your pet along with accessories. Here is how it works. You can connect it to your store. That's if you want to. The facility takes it, and then your customers get it. So they currently integrate with Etsy and Shopify. I did not integrate either one of my sites. I just popped in, added my products, and then basically plug them in manually. It says Amazon is coming soon, so I should be interested in seeing how that works. They do have white labeling, tracking updates. You can connect existing products, automated order update. I really love the quality of them right now. They are my favorite because Printful is acting up, but I just wanted to make sure that I came on and give you guys more basically more ideas, and I am a Shirtly affiliate now. So if you want to sign up for Shirtly, make sure you scroll all the way down at the bottom of my YouTube video and click on all of my videos for affiliate links for Shirtly. Don't mind my wrinkled shirt, but you guys know I love Bella Canvas. This is the woman's style shirt, and here is the shirt that I got from Shirtly. I should have got a large because it's a woman's and that's the size that I normally wear, but I got a medium. But I love the look of the shirt. The quality is really good. Looks exactly like my design here. Looks really good. So I'm excited about using them on other things. You guys tell me what you think. I know I shouldn't turn it that way. But here's a full look of the shirt again from Shirtly. Quality is really good, and I'm enjoying their service. So I'm excited to get this video out to you guys so you can have some alternatives to what is going on in the climate of print on demand right now. To me, Shirtly is it for me. I am enjoying them, and I will be using them more. When I get in new products from them or anything else that I try, I'll make sure I come on and show you guys and give you guys an update on that review. But I hope you guys enjoy this quick tutorial and overview of the print-on-demand site Shirtly. Remember, I have courses on my Gumroad at gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith. I have a podcast. It's called Coins and Connections Podcast, which is available on all open podcast platforms. Also, I have lots of resources in my description box, and I am a Shirtly affiliate along with plenty other websites, so make sure you check that out. And until next time, I love you guys more than I love this video. Peace.